Hey, you guys, I am so excited. The harvest has begun. Yummy, yummy snow peas, gourmet lettuce, kale flowers, carrots, and mint. And then we've got some awesome turnips, some yummy gourmet flowers, and some yummy kale. You guys, let's get out there and plant some food. All of this yummy nutrition. And we're just getting started. Oh, I forgot. And we got our second strawberry too. But all this yummy nutrition is going in our bodies, my family's bodies, and we just simply grew it. We've got beta carotene in our carrots. We've got protein in our peas. We've got yummy vitamin C in our strawberries and also in our peas and in our kale. We've got some great, awesome vitamins and nutrition in these yummy vegetables and in those edible flowers. They're the great accent to a boring salad. You guys enjoy your day, but I want you to know the harvest is coming and yours can come too. In the words of my brother Ron Finley, plant some shit. Have a great day, guys. Bye. So, Emmanuel, you have our second strawberry of the season.
I know.
And there's a lot of ones over there, but I'm going to let you sample this first one. You're going to test it and tell us what you think. Tell everybody on Instagram what you think about our organic strawberries.
Oh,
Is that good? Oh, that was a B. Oh, okay. Let me see how juicy it is. Ooh,
no,
yummy.
take a bite of this.
Ooh, ooh,
you
is
need
it that
to.
good?
No, you need to. You need to. Mama.
Oh, you
It's
got
soft
you
on
got
the
strawberry
inside.
on your tooth. It's so good. Just tell me what the taste is like.
It's like how a strawberry is supposed to be on the outside, but it's kind of different, like from the ones you get from the store. Cause when you bite into it, it's super soft and super sweet. The ones you get from the store, they sour. So,
Okay.
I'm gonna have to get these every
So do we
morning.
get a thumbs up for our
Oh
first
no,
strawberry?
we get like 3 thumbs up. We get a toe up. We get all those up.
Thank you, garden
You're
partner.
welcome.